Fuck around and find out. Yup.
Let's go.
Wow.
I ain't really worried about what a nigga think of me.
Not at all.
I'll be floating on a cloud, you was way down, how you tryna sit with me? I'll be smoking out the pound bag full of loud like a wet trick or treat. Probably zoning in and now, back in a while, still I ain't miss a beat. I'ma go 100 miles, shorty love the style, where you going now? Wow, heavy lay the crown, every day I'm out, I'ma hold it down. I ain't slowing down, bring another sound, in and out of town, blaze another ounce. Another day that I'ma make a way, yeah, another day that I'ma count. I'm fucking paid through the love and hate, ain't nothing changed but the route. Another fake, you another lame, too much to say from the couch. It was sunny days, it was muddy rain, made 100 plays in the house. You was running game with your mouth, you gon' run away when it's south. I'ma numb the pain with a blunt of haze like I'm from the days of 2000. My neighbors gon' be complaining cause what I'm facing make it too loud.
My bracelet saying cool down. My new chain can weigh a fool down. New whip, it came with a couch. My watch chimed in and said blow. My bitch talking about Italy and Germany for vacation. My side bitch wanna see the world, I just told her ask to stay patient. My German bitch like, don't you ever show up with none of your lovers. My Italian bitch like, you oughta pull up with them both, you know I would love it. Bread used to talk louder, but the more bread I got, it got quiet. Got me looking at the loudest person in the room, flexing like you lying. My closet sounded like Fight Club, and that's the room where the goat slept. The other closet got more jackets than the nightclub and the coat check. The other closet too much, my deck iron, we just talking that one crib. The other spot by the mountainside where the breeze cool and the sun hit. Haters talking about dumb shit, they can't rap but my gun spit. When I was broke, knew how to make a Ben Frank turn to 200. Wow, yeah, just take it easy, just get right here. You know what I'm saying? Make it turn to 200. Jump in the pot, do the Macarena. I'ma clone you. We gon' figure it out. Yeah. When the math wasn't really math and when it made math off of my language. Now the bunch calling me honey and my cheese starting to talk Danish. Could throw change at the plaintiff, could throw propane at the banquet. Hank Hill when I bang shit, I'm like Bobby Hill with the Asians. Copper pills when it came with, now it's Molly all up in the daiquiri. Your raps really ain't attracting me, nah, it's no cap in my factory. No rats in my faculty, make throwbacks at you casually. Make you go back to the Stone Age with an over trash and no salary, yeah. Have you right back on the block, boy. Take you out the game real fast, red gold in your whole shit. You know what I mean? With an old trash. You back out there with a CNC cola and a beef patty. How you selling hot vodka on the block? Wiping the crust off your lips. You don't fuck around, you know what I mean? Fuck around and find out. Take you out just like that. Put you back on the motherfucking bench.
Because I can trust him.
How much product do you have on hand?
38 pounds.